My precious fans of the beautiful game, we supposed to say thank you to the Almighty Mercifully Gadi, who is the way, the truth, and the life. Is we are here once again for this highly anticipated Nedbank Cup clash between Mamelodi Sundowns under the managerial guidance of Miguel Cardoso versus Kaizer Chiefs. Of course, these teams in their last 5 encounters, Kaizer Chiefs didn't won any kind of game. We can come back from September 29, 2023, Kaizer Chiefs lose by 2-1. When the second game in May 2, 2024, Kaizer Chiefs lose by 5-1. The third game in September 2024, Kaizer Chiefs lose by 2-1. The fourth game in November 2024, Kaizer Chiefs lose by 4-0. And the last game on March 1st, 2025, Kaizer Chiefs lose by 1-0. But today, Mamelodi Sundowns have prepared a well-balanced lineup, aiming to lift up 3 important points so as they can qualify for the finals to meet Orlando Pirates. They start with Rowan Williams as a goalkeeper in a 4-4-2. Kuliso Mudau will act as a right back. Lunga will act as a left back. Suarez and Kikana will extend as center backs. We come forward, we see Marcelo Allende, Teboho Mokoena, Aubas and Ribeiro will act as midfielders, but Mokoena and Aubas will act as a defensive midfielders, while Allende and Ribeiro will act as side midfielders. Reiniz and Peter Shalulile will stand as strikers. And when we come to substitutions, we have different players like Onyango, Lebusa, Aubrey Modiba, Zuko Mdunyela, Aseko Chiwans, Jaden Adams, Matthews, as well as Sals. Do you think Mamelodi Sundowns will continue to show their dominance over Kaizer Chiefs? Please write a little bit on the box below. Goodbye. Until the next time.